friends, Miss Wendy here, and today we are going to be making a snow person puppet. This snow person wiggles and jiggles. Come join me and I'll show you how to make one. All right, friends, so in your kit you'll find a snow person template, a piece of paper, a brown pipe cleaner, and a craft stick. You'll also need some additional items: tape, scissors, a glue stick, and markers or other coloring materials. All right, let's clear off our workspace and get started. The only thing we're going to keep are the snow person template and the scissors. Step one is to cut out the pieces of the snow person. All right, and the next thing that we're going to do is assemble. So I am going to turn each of these snowballs upside down and the hat as well. This way, even though I didn't cut exactly on the line, you won't be able to tell. And I'm assembling it this way: the base, and then I'm putting on the middle, and then I'm putting on the top, just as you would a regular snow person. So I'm going to grab my glue stick, and so I'm just going to put a little glue right on the back of the middle, and I'm going to stick it right on top of the base. And then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to turn over the head and put some glue just right on the bottom. And then I'm going to stick it onto the middle part of the snow person. All right. Now, before I put the hat on, I want to decorate the hat because I don't want to get any of the color onto the snow person's head. So I'm going to move this aside, and I am now ready to put my hat on my snow person. So where do I need my glue? Just right on that edge there. And while that is drying, we have a couple more things to do. We're going to decorate the face, and I'd like some buttons. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is turn this snow person over. We're going to make the arms. So bring back your brown pipe cleaner and just think of it as divided into 3 parts. So you can fold it if you want into 3, but we are going to cut, so that's 3, if you can tell, 1, 2, and 3. So about right there, we're going to cut that. So we're cutting 1/3 off, and this will be the snow person's arms. This is going to be the snow person's hand. So we're going to fold this 1/3 in half and cut it and wrap each one. So about, if you measure with that cut part, kind of about in the middle, and then what you're going to do is just twist. And that will make a little hand for your snow person. Be careful with these ends because they're sharp. And on the other side, we're going to do the same. So if you wanted to measure that length, and then about halfway in between, make a cross, and then just twist it, and that'll be your snow person's hand. And then what we're going to do is just tape this onto the back, about right in the middle of our middle snowball. And go ahead and tape. Just try not to get the tape onto the front of the snow person. All right, and now our snow person likes to dance. So what we're going to do is use that piece of paper to make accordion folds. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this paper hot dog style. So lengthwise, hot dog style, fold it in half. Try to meet those ends. And fold it in half again. Again, try to meet those ends. And when you unfold it, we have some lines on the paper, and we are going to cut these lines. So we will have 4 strips of paper. And now we are going to grab our glue and we're going to fold them accordion style. So we're going to make an L shape, okay? And right on that edge where one is on top of the other, we're going to put just some glue right there. And go ahead and put that on so you have an L shape. Now we're going to fold and fold until we have a little square. So on that edge, you see that piece of paper there, we're going to fold one way. So fold across, and then there's that edge again. We're going to fold onto that and fold down. Now we're going to fold across. Try to keep it square. And then there's that edge again. We're going to fold up. So keep folding across and down, across and up, across and down, to the right and up, to the left and down until you run out of paper. And so I could make one more fold on this side, but I can't on this side. So I'm gonna cut this part off, and this tiny, tiny little bit. So I'm just gonna make the fold so I can see where to cut it. And I'm gonna make the fold so I can see where I have to cut it. And then I'm just gonna open it a little bit, cut off the end, cut off the end. And now, again, fold it back the way that it was. So here's the edge, fold down, here's the edge, fold across. Before you fold it all the way though, put some glue there. And now fold it up. So there you go. It's like a little accordion. And you're going to do the same thing with these 2 pieces of paper until you have 2. So the next thing that we're going to do, if you want, you can color your stick, or you can keep it natural or whatever color you got. And what we're going to do now is just go ahead and assemble this together. We're going to put one of these just below the arms and glue it on. And one of these on the big snowball, the base, and glue it on. And try to keep these in a line, because what you're going to use to hold your puppet is your stick, and we need that to be in a line. So there we go. And hold that on until it adheres. Great. And there you have it. There's your dancing snow person puppet. All right, friends, remember to clean up. Nice job. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your snow person puppet. I hope you'll have tons of fun playing with it. Also, check our calendar for more upcoming DIY and other events here at the library. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.